kind of hot.
Where's my baby?
Please don't look at me like that.
That actually looks pretty good.
You seem nervous.
Who called her?
Can't get enough.
Oh, you want to know more about that?
This is just the beginning.
This is the new world.
This is the proudest moment of my career. Yeah, it's okay. I've done this before.
What is it, some kind of local trouble?
It's always more of a Star Wars guy.
What up?
Yes, that's right.
You keep saying that, but when?